Good morning, students. We already done the formula for the distance between 2 points. Now we will do the exercise 7.1. In this exercise, question number first we do find the distance between the following pairs of points. Look here three questions we have, and first of all I will do the first question. And in first question the points are given to you 2 3 and second point is given 4 1. That 2 3 we write x1 y1 and the second point 4 and 1 we write x2 and y2. Now we know that this formula AB, what is the AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will put all the x1, x2, y1, y2 value in this formula. What is x2? x2 is 4, x1 is 2, y2 is 1 and y1 is 3. So all these value put, you will get this, that root of 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. That 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So you will get root of 2 square plus minus 2 square, and that square you will do, you will get root of 4 plus 4, that you can write root 8. Look here, root 8 you can write 4 into 2. And root 4 into 2 means square root of 4 is 2. So you can write final answer is 2 root 2 units. This first question is complete. Now we have to question number second is also same as it is. There the points are given to you and you have to find the distance between these points. So these points, first you write A point, that is minus 5 and 7. B point is minus 1 and 3. That we write first point we write x1 and y1. Second point we write x2 and y2. Now this AB will be equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That you can write here root of minus 1 minus minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. Because x2 is 1, so minus 1 need to put, then minus 4 formula, then x1 is minus 5, so minus 5 put, y2 is 3, so you put 3, and y1 is 7, so you put here 7. You will get this line. Then after you will write minus and minus will become plus, and 3 minus 7 is minus 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, so again you get here 4 square plus minus 4 square. That you can write here 16 plus 16, root 16 plus 16, that you can write root of 16 into 2, 16 square root is 4, so you will get here 4 root 2 units. Now question third is same as it is, that we write here that first point is A bracket AB, and that we write x1 and y1. B second point is B, that minus A minus B, that we write x2 and y2. Now formula AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 is here minus A, x1 is here A, and y2 is here minus b, y1 is here b. So all value you will put in formula. You will get here root of minus a whole square and minus b whole square. That you can write here root of minus 2a whole square and plus minus 2b whole square. Look here, you will square, you will get here root of 4 square plus 4 square. 4a square, root of 4a square plus 4b square. That 4 you take common, you will get root of 4a square plus b square. This 4 square root is 2, so you can write here 2 root of a square plus b square. Look here, we will do here this example number 2. Find the value of x for which the distance between the points x2, a point is here x2, a point is here x2 and b point is 9 and 8 is 10 unit. Here distance is given to you 10 unit. You have to find the value of x. So how we can find? Look here, first we write the formula. Formula is AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here first point is x and 2, and the second point is 9 and 8. So here x1 is here, x1 is x, x2 is 9, y1 is 2, and y2 is 8. So these all value you will put in formula. You get a root of 9 minus x whole square plus 8 minus 2 whole square equal to 10. Now squaring both sides, we will get this 9 minus x whole square plus 8 minus 2 whole square equal to 100. Now you will open the bracket by a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means 81 square, 81 plus x square minus 18x, and 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 square is 36 and equal to 100. So you write here this, look here, x square as it is, 18x as it is, and this 81 and 36 you will add and transfer to right hand side. That you get here x square minus 18x plus 17. This is a quadratic equation and you have to middle term splitting. So multiply then 17 and add then 18 means you have 17 1 just 17. So you have here minus 1 and minus 17 are the factor. Now you will write place of minus 18 this minus 1 and minus 17x. You get your x square minus 1x minus 17x plus 17 equal to 0. From first and second you take the common x. You get x bracket x minus 1. From third and fourth you take minus 17 common. You get here this minus 17 x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 is common, and remaining is x minus 17. So you get here two answer, x equal to 17 and x equal to 1. This question is given in board exam, and this is very important question. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose vertices are given to you. One triangle is given to you, this point is A, second point is B, and third point is C. Here ABC points are given to you. Here you will find the distance AB. AB distance is 0 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, and root that is equal to 4 unit we get. Now we find BC distance. BC distance is the root of 3 minus 0 square plus 0 minus 0 square equal to 3 units you get. Now you find CA distance, that will be equal to root of 0 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square equal to 5 unit. Now you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means AB plus BC plus CA, that 4 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 12 units you get. Look at this question. So that if a circle has a center at the origin and a point 50 lies on it, then so that 6 8 lies outside the circle. So 6 8 you can mark outside the circle, and 5 and 0 you will mark on the circle. Now you will use the formula, distance formula use, and you will find the OP distance. OP is here radius. So that you will get root of 5 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, that you get root 5 square means you get 5 unit. OP you get 5 unit. OP equal to 5 unit you get. This is the radius. Now you find the OQ distance. OQ will be equal to root of 6 minus 0 whole square plus 8 minus 0 whole square, that you will get root of 6 square plus 8 square, that you get root of 36 plus 64, that you get OQ equal to root of 100, that you get 10 unit. Means here look here, radius is 5 unit, but the OQ is 10 unit, means OQ is greater than OP, means here this Q 6 8 lies outside the circle. 6 8 lies outside the circle. So hope you understand this solution. Multiple choice questions I will give you, that you will do yourself. This origin means 0 0, so you will find the distance from this, which answer you check. Distance of these points, this is very simple, so you can do distance of the point from the x-axis you find. So you will mark and you will find out the distance. This is very simple. This distance is very simple. If x is a point for positive integer such that this point P and Q is given to you, and distance is 10, you have to find your x. This type question will also be done. Look here, if you have any doubt you can WhatsApp me. in this, and look here, these are the answer for these, so you check these answers.